So if you open your F-150's door and you see some water on the back seat, or even if you see, you can't really see it here, but if you have some wet stains on your headliner there, then you might have a leak. And I'm going to show you where I think that leak is. I think the leak is coming from the third taillight, because Ford had a technical service bulletin a long time ago, and I had to bring my vehicle back because it was leaking and they had to replace that. That is when I bought this thing brand new. It only had a few thousand miles. So Hercoo, Hercoo, sells this product. It's a new gasket, and notice it says fix water leak. And this one is specifically made for the F-150. So instead of going to the dealer, I think at the dealer you have to buy the whole third brake light assembly for a couple $100. This was only like $11. And the box is very simple. You get the gasket. One side is adhesive, and you get a little alcohol pad for cleanup. And here's the part number for the F-150. That is a 2010 model. And you even get this extra gasket in the middle there that we can use on future projects. All right, let's get in the back of here. Okay, there's two Phillips screws on here. As you can see, it's kind of crusty up in there. And that's the culprit there. So let's take this off and clean it, and I'll clean up all around here with the alcohol pad that was included. And basically you just twist each bulb and it pops right out. All right, so we have got to take this old crusty one off. This thing's extremely hard and brittle. Very crusty and brittle. I'm going to try to get it off in one piece. All right, this one pretty much came off in one piece. You can see the remnants of the adhesive, and I've just got to clean this up a little bit. Now you'll see I've got all the old gasket off, but if you flip it back over, you'll see some dirt and some crap still up in here. So the reason for that is the way this thing is engineered, there is a little gap between here and here, and the gasket has to fit actually over both. So I don't know why it's designed that way with that little gap, but that little gap collects a lot of crap. All right, so I'm going to finish cleaning it up and we'll put it back on. Okay, we're going to clean this little rim off here. And go ahead and use the alcohol pad that came with it to clean up around the edge here and the mating surface of the vehicle. And just a quick note, that's the top of your headliner through these holes here. So if this thing leaks, it's going to get all in your headliner. So the original one had the adhesive side toward the lens there. So that's what I'm going to do. So first you got to pull out your middle thing there and then peel off this adhesive side. All right, I've got the gasket evenly spaced. I just need to put the bulbs back in and just mount it back to the clean mating surface. And just put your Phillips screws back in. Do not over tighten those because you will crack the lens. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful to fix your water leak around your headliner and on your back seat in your F-150. So I'll put a link to this product in the description. Y'all have a great weekend.